Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a competency-based question for 5 marks. The question is, the four-wheeler parking fees at a metro station is charged in two parts. A fixed charge of rupees X up to 2 hours and rupees Y for every subsequent hour. Now Murli parked his car for 6 hours and paid rupees 110. Aparna parked her car for 13 hours and paid rupees 250. Frame a pair of linear equations representing the context and find the fixed charge and the subsequent charge per hour. Now Amish parked his car at the station from 8 am to 3 pm. Find the amount Amish must pay as the parking charges. Show your work. Okay, so let's find out how to do this question. This is normally like a case-based question with two parts in it. Okay, so let's find out. Now given that the fixed charge, it's given that, right? That the fixed charge is equal to rupees X and charge for every subsequent hour, is equal to rupees Y. Okay, now here you can see that in the question they've said that Murli has parked his car for 6 hours and he paid rupees 110. So using that, let me form the first linear equation. He'll definitely have to pay the fixed charge for the first 2 hours, but he's already paid the charge for the first 2 hours, right? So from 6, I have to subtract 2 hours, and for the rest of the 4 hours, he pays a charge of Y rupees. And totally he pays 110 rupees. So that is X plus 4Y equal to 110. That's my first linear equation. Now, Aparna, on the other hand, she parked her car for 13 hours and she paid rupees 250. So that is, she'll also have to pay the fixed charge for the first 2 hours. And because the first 2 hours are already taken care of, from the 13 hours, I'm subtracting 2. And for that, the charge is rupees Y. So 11 times Y is equal to, she's paid totally 250 rupees. So X plus 11Y equal to 250 will be my second equation. Now I just have to solve both these equations. So X plus 4Y equal to 110 and X plus 11Y equal to 250. Let me subtract both these equations, and when I subtract, the X gets cancelled away and I would get minus 4Y as equal to minus 140. Which gives me the value of Y is minus 140 divided by minus 7, which is equal to 20. Okay, now let me substitute this value in one of these equations. Let me do that in the first equation. I know that X plus 4Y is equal to 110 and Y we just found out as equal to 20. So that's equal to 110. So X plus 80 is equal to 110, or the value of X now becomes 30 rupees. Okay, so the fixed charge we found out is, we have assumed as X, so that's 30 rupees. And the charge for subsequent hours is equal to rupees 20. Okay, now let's look at the second part of the question. In this part, they've said that Amish parked his car at the station from 8 am to 3 pm. And you have to find the amount of money he has to pay. Now, if he parked from 8 am to 3 pm, right? Amish has parked for 7 hours. Amish has parked the car for 7 hours. Okay, so the amount to be paid will be, amount is equal to X plus 7 minus 2 times Y. So that's X plus X, which is 30, plus 5 times Y, which is 20. That is 30 plus 100, or he has to pay rupees 130. Okay, so amount paid by Amish as parking charges is equal to rupees 130. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.